Okay, here it is, the Lian 011 Vision Compact. I've been waiting for this case for ages. Okay, now let's get on with this build. It's a really nice case. I mean, what really attracted me to this case was the simplicity, the design. I could go on. And it's nice, they give you this little plastic holder to sort out your screws. Oops, now that wasn't a very good start. And I absolutely love the location of the power supply. I do wish it was at the bottom though. I do wish the 3.5 HD and the power supply locations could have swapped places. I would have preferred that. Now I do have two huge 3.5-inch hard disks. We're probably talking 16 terabyte all in all. Now if you weren't using these hard disks, you'd have so much more room for that cable management. So my cable management isn't great because of the space being used by the hard disks, but it was necessary. Everything about fan placement and adding the fans was super easy. Really was. Best case I've ever worked on. Okay, now we have the Lian strimmers. Absolutely love the look of these strimmers, so I had to add it to the build. It was quite easy to install as well. Okay, now that GPU is installed, I'm gonna adjust that GPU sagging bracket you can see there. Very easy to do, and I think a must for the size of these GPUs lately. I mean, the 1590 is huge, very heavy. And here we have a 420mm Dempsey Flex dust filter, built for 420mm fan setups, and that's going to be my main filtration used at the back of the case. I may use a 360mm Dempsey Flex dust filter at the bottom of the case as well. I cannot build a PC without these Dempsey Flex dust filters. My favorite filters by far. And here we go with the final build. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Very happy with it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you can join me in the next one. Please like and subscribe.